Let me show you how to make fall off the bone Cajun garlic butter chicken wings. Let's go. Alright, so we're going to reduce the heat, so we don't want to burn the garlic and the cilantro. Especially the seasoning, it's going to taste burnt, so put it on low heat, allow it to simmer. Next, add in your chicken. And you're just going to place the chicken in just like this. You want a small pan or a pot. You don't want nothing too big because you want it to kind of steam and boil, a little more so simmer. And what we're looking for is for the chicken to fall off the bone. See how it's kind of close together, but they're not sitting on top of each other. This extra sauce right here, just pour it in like this. That's all flavor right there. We're just gonna close the lid, let it simmer for a little bit, then we'll flip it, then we'll check on it. Every once in a while you want to come back, give it a nice coat. Just kind of roll it around like that. Ooh-wee. That's what I'm talking about. This is what you're looking for. Nice golden brown. Oh yeah. If you could smell this right now, you could smell the Cajun, the garlic. Oh, it smells so good. I cannot wait. I'm gonna give it 5 more minutes. We're gonna eat this bad boy. I don't know about you, but I'm excited. Ooh, hot. Fall off the bone chicken wing, y'all. Look at this. Ooh, fall off the bone chicken wings, y'all. Light, buttery, full of flavor. That springer's looking good. Till next time, peace.